Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add display picture on Fiverr. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna find options like Home, Messages, Search, Orders, and User Icon. Tap on the user icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now navigate your way to your user icon on the top left corner where you're gonna see a small camera icon. Tap on it, then a small menu will appear from the bottom of your screen. There you're gonna have to select Choose from Library, then select the picture that you want to add as your display picture. Then in couple seconds, if you refresh your feed, you can see your display picture on Fiverr has been added. And guys, that's it. That's how you add display picture on Fiverr. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.